Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have your clip. Open Capcut and import it so you can act. First, tap Text, then Auto Captions, and choose the spoken language and punctuation rules. This saves time. Once done, Capcut creates a captions track. Make sure to switch to timeline or waveform view so you can see where phrases fall. You're starting with auto generation to get a base transcript quickly, because correcting is far faster than typing every line from scratch. Now refine both what the captions say and when they appear. Scrub the timeline and split segments at natural pauses, then drag caption edges to nudge start and end times by tenths of a second for better sync. Edit the text to correct names, punctuation, and to remove ums and ahs. This improves clarity. After that, style your captions, pick a legible font, size, color, and add a contrast box so viewers read them on any background. Finish by previewing the whole video with captions on, checking every scene and aspect ratio to catch occlusions. Export at your target resolution. Choose burned-in captions for simplicity or export an SRT if you need separate subtitle files. If you see misalignment after export, first confirm your project frame rate matches the output. Resync the problematic segments manually. If the editor glitches, clear Capcut's cache or restart the app, and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.